This is a well explanatory video on how to use the induction cooker. My pot with water is already on the induction cooker because I said that if there is no water, if there is no pot on the induction cooker, it will not work. So I'm putting it on now. The switch is on. So this is the induction cooker. This is how it will continue blinking until you set it here. You press the power button, you can see the light will stop. Then you set it here. If you want it to be warm, are you hearing the sound? And if you want 120 degree, 170 degree, 220 degree, 270 degree, depending on how fast you want it to work. Now it is on 270 degree. The water is boiling already. Are you seeing smoke? Have you seen how fast it is? Are you seeing smoke already? The water is boiling. If I remove the pot, it will definitely stop working. Are you seeing it? If I remove the pot, it will stop working. And if I put it back, I have to put it on again. Then control it. I actually want the water to boil very well before I put it off.